Our trip starts near San Blas. We're out early, looking at the parrotlets.
Trees got big trees, got fruit on it. 600 of them in it. It's like you can't.
Grayish, salty.
You got him, Mike?
Yeah.
All right.
Is he still up on top? Is he still
Yeah,
on top of that stuff?
Yeah, let me see if I can.
Moved up and right.
All right.
Rufus backed robin.
Right there.
It's the tortoise and the turds, huh?
You get him?
Look at it. This is definitely Rufus backed robin. But
Lark sparrow up there.
it's a Gila. Came into your golden chief. That's pretty funny.
I kept thinking, geez, there was an experiment.
Bat falcon. Two white morphos. Oh my God, this is fabulous.
Certainly pretty.
Did you guys hear?
I see. That's a squirrel cuckoo tail.
Oh, yeah.
Tail is the giveaway because so a nice face shot there.
That's not a bad shot.
Smile.
Well, social flycatcher out in the open over there. Nice look. These are these little fish that were jumping in when we were going up the river the other day.
Boy, those are beautiful shrimp.
Yeah, they use them for bait. Go for cargo out in the ocean.
Going into San Blas.
South of here.
Plaza.
Porque tengo trabajo en la tarde, entonces sí quiero.
¿Cuál llave? Dice.
It's a family-run hotel. It's one of my favorite hotels in the world. Who is this? Oh, it's great Michael.
I heard him. I was listening, making sure.
That'll be the next one.
Hello, Rick.
Avocado soup and shrimp salad is outstanding. Those are little
Pardon me,
tacos.
I'm going to molest your salad.
Faltan dos. Allá hay dos más atrás.
On the Durango Highway, heading toward the Sierra Madre Mountains, which we will be climbing. As you can tell, it's pretty late.
They're probably getting closer. I didn't Google it, but what's the approximate distance?
Pretty dramatic country.
Is he on a pine tree?
Yeah. You see that mistletoe clump that's got some pine needles hanging in here? Behind,
Yes.
above it and back.
Crazy, huh? Truck coming down our road.
The one below it, Len, is in the sun. Right, okay, right there.
Yes, but their bushes are blocking it.
Here, if you come over here, he's pretty good. He's pretty quiet. Tufted Jay's right.
Several moving all over here. That one is just facing us.
Okay, I got that one.
You got it?
Yes.
Isn't that
That's
something?
another one in
Birders at work. On the
Yeah.
bumper.
Wow, isn't this something?
Yeah. We thought we need a bumper.
Caston's Vireo. Greater Pee-wee.
What a bill.
dead
Oh yeah,
stick.
yeah, I got him. What a bill. Pure white. Or is that just
Violet crowned hummingbird.
Gill. Five starfish here, and one cinnamon.
Where is the pig? I didn't get to see the pig.
Right down at the entrance. Pacific Ocean out there.
Those MacKay, just like that's in the tree. Does the government pay them anything to leave their houses?
Yeah, they would compensate them.
How it's
Neat color's red.
yes, it is.
cool looking bird?
Isn't that cool?
Female.
With that little black eye stripe, kind of
Female.
blacker than the eye.
Yeah.
Oh my! I got his. I gotta get to better light.
Look, I couldn't.
This thing has a really short tail, like it's not.
House wren there, see?
Or it's molting or something.
When it flashes that green, it's just like a laser.
Bumblebee doesn't move fast, right?
No.
Cool.
It's taken me a week to sort through all these hummingbird pictures. You see that one just
Yeah.
sitting there on top? A lot of violet ground.
Hi, Mom. Send money.
How's everybody doing back there?
Send money, Mom. Here's the co-leader of the trip. That was you. Reported as mimicking something like 40, 45 species.
There's a new highway going in.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
To the top.
Arizona woodpecker.
Yeah.
Have the hint.
Hi, Mom. Things in my teeth, too.
Hi, Mom.
But the strap through that lady that lives in Inverness Park, who came on a trip with me a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
You can see who it is. You're gonna know her. Let's go birding.
Well, there's still a chance for those, what was it, a ground sparrow?
We're temporarily stopped on the Durango Highway. Lots of lookers. Tell them what to do. Movement to the left, yay! We're moving. Here are the guys that got in trouble there.
Oh,
Pedrigal on our right.
yeah. Like under there. Since they get the tour buses here every day, all day long. So I think they're,
When was this town formed?
oh, I want to say like 1590.
Una paloma.
Playground.
Yeah.
Waiting for the macaws.
Food's good. We just gotta keep them in the kitchen.
Hi, my name's Larry. I'm from Colorado.
I'm Andrea Robinson from Western Colorado.
You know who I am. I'm Mike and I'm your neighbor. I'm Len and I'm from Arizona.
I'm Dave, and I'm from Sonora.
I'm Rick, and I'm enjoying my margarita in the company of all these good folks, and I am from Inverness, California. Some of us who cannot control ourselves ate it.
He's headed right to us.
He's saying when?
Len, look at me. There we go.
That's a good shot.
Yeah. Here's the view.
Right on cue. Quite a fig tree over there.
Oh, not anymore. Pardon my inabilities there.
Yes, and so are we.
No, that second one's right there now. Nice.
Okay, and 33. Wow, much better than I expected.
Reopened gold mine.
Fan-tailed warbler. Pretty identifiable.
They'd have a band hummingbirds hanging around.
Isn't that something?
Another one in between.
Birders at work.
Yeah.
Wow, isn't this something?
We thought we need a bump.